Today we have AutoSky Dash Cam. Smart, reliable and designed to protect every drive. At the end of the video we will show you some of the functions of the dash cams. But let's start with the AutoSky 2K Wi-Fi Dash Cam. A compact, powerful and everyday option. It comes with an SD card so you can start recording right away. Its wide angles lens capture more of the road and great for catching the side lanes and details. And built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect to your phone and instantly view and download the footage. Loop recording keeps your device recording by overriding old clips automatically. And with the G sensor accident detection, sudden hits or movements are saved in a special emergency file so your most important moments never get lost. And now for the AutoSky 4K Dash Cam. Everything that the 2K model has, but extra. 4K resolution means crystal clear detail. Perfect to read the license plates and the road signs. It comes with the rear camera, giving you the full front and back coverage. And the built GPS records your route, your speed and your location. Ideal for proof, for example if you speed on your speeding tickets or trip logs. Its wide touchscreen with the quick control buttons makes adjustments easy, even while driving. And the touchscreen is pretty versatile, so it can be adjusted to have both front and rear cameras on the screen and a lot more. Whether you want the compact 2K or the feature-packed 4K model, AutoSky has you covered.
Let me tell you about some features. If you first press the screen and then the gear icon, you will get a couple of options. The first option is the Wi-Fi. Here you can connect your dash cam to your phone, scan the QR code, and install the app. For the resolution, you can choose 2K and 4K. In the option Record Time, you can choose for 1, 3, and 5 minutes. This means that the recording will be saved in files in that length. If you open the recording function, you can choose between Open and Close. Open means that it will record when it gets power. Mirror means that you can mirror the back image or not. The screensaver lets the screen turn to black after 1, 2, or 3 minutes. With the preview mode, you have 3 options: front, rear, and split view. The volume can be set in 3 volumes or turn it off. If you swipe the screen and press G sensor, this is the sensitivity when the dash cam puts recordings in the Save folder. Parking mode has 3 sensitivities as well, but it only works with a special battery pack. Lapse means that you can record a time lapse for maximum 72 hours. Lapse FPS means lapse frames per second and can be set on 1, 2, or 5 frames per second. The option Language speaks for itself. Date time also speaks for itself. You can also choose a time zone. The GPS information shows the satellite fixes. To empty your recordings, you can format the SD card. It also extends the life of the card if you format it once in a while. Factory Reset resets the complete device. When you press About, you can see your serial number. With this function, you can play back your footage. Press the car on the top right of your screen to switch between the front and rear camera recordings.
In the folder without the lock, you find the regular recordings. In the folder with the lock, you will find the recordings after a hit. The little microphone icon lets you have the possibility to mute the microphone inside the car. With the lock, you can lock or unlock the screen options.
Drive smarter, drive safer and drive with AutoSky.